Hello everyone and welcome to part 5 of a multiple video series covering the operation of electric circuits with a focus towards electrical quantities. In today's video we are going to be covering energy and power. So if a charge gives up energy when going from point A to point B, then the voltage across those points is defined as the work per unit charge. The load receives or absorbs energy because a positive charge goes in the direction of the current arrow from higher to lower potential, while the source has the capability of supplying energy. The images indicated point A being at a higher potential than point B. The load receives or absorbs energy because a positive charge goes in the direction of the current arrow from high to low potential. The voltage source is sometimes known as an electromotive force, which conveys the notation that it is a force that drives the current through the circuit. The instantaneous power is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of change of energy. The electric power consumed or produced by a circuit element is given by its voltage equaling current product, which is expressed in volt amps or watts. The energy over a time interval is found by integrating the power formula, which is expressed in watt-seconds, joules, or more commonly electric utility bills, which utilize kilowatt-hours. In the next video, we'll be covering sources and loads, so make sure to go check that video out. I hope you enjoyed and found this useful in any some sort, so please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did find this beneficial and sparked interest in energy and power.